Here in this question I'm solving the part 2 and you can solve the part 1 using the concept here. So here in the question part 2 we are given 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. So to eliminate the denominator on both sides, we shall multiply 30 x plus 4 x minus 7 throughout the equation. So if I multiply 30 x plus 4 into x minus 7, it will be 30 x plus 4 x minus 7 multiply by 1 by x minus x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equals to 11 by 30. So I can write 30 x plus 4 x minus 7 divided by x plus 4 minus 30 x plus 4 x minus 7 divided by x minus 7, and here 30 x plus 4 x minus 7 into 11 by 30. So from here I can cancel the x plus 4 on both numerator and denominator, x minus 7 on both numerator and denominator, and 30 from both numerator and denominator. So from here I can write 30x minus 210 minus, from here I can write 30x plus 120, and from here I can write 11 x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28. Or if I solve this expression, I'll get 30x minus 30x will be 0, and minus 210 minus 120 will be minus 330 equals to here 11. So 11 x square minus this will be 4x, sorry, this will be 3x, 7x minus 7x plus 4x will be minus 3x minus 28, and from here 11 will get cancelled by minus 30. So now x square minus 3x minus 28, if I transfer minus 30 to the right hand side, it will be plus 30 equals to 0. So I'll get x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0, and to solve this equation I need to split the middle term minus 3x into two terms alpha and beta such that alpha plus beta equals to minus 3x, and alpha into beta should be product of remaining terms 2 into x square. So this is 2x square. So if I take alpha equals to minus 2x and beta equals to minus x, then alpha plus beta will be minus 3x, and alpha into beta will be minus 2x into minus x will be 2x squared. That means the considered value of alpha and beta satisfy the condition. So I can write x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Let's make the two pairs. Then if I take x common out, then it will be x minus 2, and if I take minus 1 common, then it will be x minus 2 equals to 0. Or I can say x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 equals to 0. So from here I can write either x minus 2 will be 0 or x minus 1 would be 0. So I will get value x equals to 2 or x equals to 1. So these are the roots of the given equation.